Everybody, I'm Srivatsa from class 6A BGS MPS is going to demonstrate you some moving and still illusions to some simple ideas. Now, the brain organizes, arranges, sorts data collected from the sense organs. Illusions happen when the brain imagines in a different way from what in reality. Illusions can happen from all 5 sense organs. Now, starting from the spiral moving spinning CD. The materials required are 1 A4 size sheet paper, 1 marble, 1 glue bottle, 1 CD, 1 pencil, 1 marker and scissors. And put it upon the A4 size sheet paper. Now draw a circle using the CD. Now cut the CD in the circle shape and make a hole in the middle. Now start drawing the spiral. Now darken it with a marker. Apply the glue everywhere. Stick the paper onto the CD. With this, the marble is stuck. When you spin the CD clockwise, you will feel that the spiral is moving outwards. When you spin the CD counterclockwise, you will feel that the spiral is moving inwards. But in reality, the spiral is moving neither inwards nor outwards. It is an illusion assumed by the brain.